Are you ready to see some of the most exciting and powerful tools that can completely change the way you work, build, or even handle everyday tasks? Today we have an amazing lineup, from heavy-duty construction equipment to compact gadgets for precision testing and even clever household helpers. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Wood Grinding Wheel. This set of rotary discs is designed for anyone who works with wood carving, shaping, or smoothing. Available in sets of 3, 4, or 5 pieces, these steel grinding wheels are coated with tungsten carbide, providing hundreds of ultra-sharp teeth that cut through wood quickly. They are far more durable than ordinary sandpaper pads, saving you both time and effort. With bore sizes of 16 millimeters and 22 millimeters, they are compatible with angle grinders Type 100 and Type 125, making them extremely versatile. Whether you are sculpting, sanding, or removing rough surfaces, these discs deliver fast material removal with minimal effort, giving you professional results without wasting energy. Number 5, Mini Micro Excavator. If you've ever dreamed of having a compact yet powerful construction tool for your farm, garden, or home project, this mini excavator is a perfect solution. With options in 1-ton and 2-ton models, it is small enough to maneuver in tight spaces, yet strong enough to handle digging, trenching, and landscaping tasks. Powered by a reliable kip-bore engine delivering 24 engine, it offers smooth performance and efficiency. Built with crawler tracks, it provides stability on different terrains, while its multifunctional design makes it suitable for farms, construction sites, or even personal projects. With certifications like CE and EPA and a 1-year warranty on core components, it combines reliability and quality, giving you professional-grade performance in a compact machine. Number 4, Window Cleaning Brush. This upgraded telescopic window cleaning brush makes tackling high-rise blast surfaces so much easier. Number 3, Folding Camping Shovel. A multifunctional tool built for adventure, this carbon steel military-style folding shovel is an essential piece of equipment for camping, hiking, fishing, and gardening. It serves multiple purposes: digging, sawing, cutting, and shoveling, while also functioning as a pick or hoe at either a straight or 90-degree angle. Built with 50-hash high-carbon steel and heat-treated blades with sawtooth edges, it's resistant to rust and deformation. Its triangular handle design is ergonomic, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Available in different sizes, from medium to large, it comes with a storage bag for portability, making it easy to keep in your car, backpack, or toolbox. This shovel is a reliable companion for outdoor survival and daily utility. Number 2, Drywall Smoothing Tool. For professionals in painting and decorating, this drywall flat box is a high-performance tool designed for plastering and smoothing walls with precision. Built with an adjustable stainless steel blade held by a brass holder, it delivers clean and even finishes. The large-capacity flat box allows you to work longer without frequent refills, boosting productivity. It features precision-machined axles and smooth wheels that glide effortlessly over drywall surfaces. The handle extends from 98 centimeters to 160 centimeters, giving you excellent reach, while thumb latches allow easy opening for quick cleaning. Compatible with different drywall pumps, this tool provides consistency and efficiency, helping you achieve flawless walls faster. Number 1, Voltage Detector Pen. Safety and precision come together in this non-contact voltage detector. Compact and pen-shaped, it easily fits into your pocket while delivering multiple powerful features. It detects live and neutral wires, locates wire breakpoints, checks continuity, and even comes with a built-in flashlight. With dual operation modes, you can adjust sensitivity manually or let it adapt automatically depending on the environment. Equipped with 8 LED indicators in red, yellow, and green, it provides instant feedback on voltage levels from 12 volts to 1000 volts. It also has sound and light alarms, a self-test function at startup, and an auto power-off feature to save battery life. Meeting international safety standards with Cat 2 1000 volts compliance, this tool is a must-have for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who values safety when working with electricity. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.